sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's Stitch Fix video.
Can't look back, can't run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide.
Today we have another Stitch Fix box and I'm really excited. Let's open it and see what we got. First thing, it looks like some jewelry. Let's see what it is. Ooh, these are fun actually. Seems like are they clay? They're really cute, kind of a tannish yellow, I would say. I like the design. It's kind of fun for something different, unlike other pieces of jewelry I have. $28 and they're by the brand Marilyn Schiff. A little bit expensive for earrings, but they do seem like nice quality, so that definitely could justify the price. So let's see what else we got for the clothes now. First item here is, what is this? It's navy blue, size 3X. Okay, it's a jumpsuit. Okay, this is gonna be fun because jumpsuits and me don't get along that often. I feel like they don't really usually work for me. So this is gonna be really interesting. It's very soft and comfortable, so I'm hoping it'll work. It's from the brand Kaylee. It is $58. I'm excited to see how that's gonna look. Ooh, feeling the Valentine's Day vibe. This red trench coat is so nice. It's not full length, but I think that'd be good honestly for most of the year. And then I like the tortoise kind of buttons here from the brand 41 Hawthorne, $98. It definitely seems like nice quality, so then, you know, quality, I can see a justification for the price. So we'll see how it looks on. Hey, what do we got here? A little striped guy. This is cute. Ooh, I like the little buttons in the back along the neck. That's cute for a little extra detail. I like the fact that the stripes vary in size. I don't know, to me that just gives a little extra interest, and it is super soft. And this is a 3X from the brand Market and Spruce, and it is $54. So we'll see. I love the colors, I can tell you that much. Last but not least, we got a dress in one of my favorite prints. Say it's a 2X, but it's a size 24. So to me, that's kind of like more of a 3X, but we'll see. It looks like a 3X. We'll see how it fits on though. Kind of like a crepey chiffon, I guess I would say. We'll see. It's definitely up my alley. I like the design of it, how it has the black stripe down the side. I think that's fun. So we will see how it looks. Okay, so here's that dress. I think it fits really nicely. I have to say that. I feel like it fits well in the bust. It's fitted, but it's not too fitted. The arms seem to be perfect. There's a little bit of room. It fits like great through the shoulders. So I can kind of see why, because it just seems to be a really good fitting dress. I think it fits really good throughout the body. Like, it's not too tight, but it's form fitting still. And the fabric is nice because it is kind of that like light and breezy. It provides like movement, but it's also very lightweight, which is stuff that I like. So I definitely think that it fits really, really well. I love the length because it's just right above the knee. So I do have to say I like it a lot. Hello, is this red jacket not amazing? It is definitely a little bit on the snug side for me because you can see the buttons are kind of a little bit popping there. So, but oh my gosh, the belt fits like perfect. I love how it fits throughout the shoulders. It fits like literally perfect. This jacket is just so chic. I think it looks really nice with this dress too. It's totally screaming to me like fierce Valentine's Day. But let me show you guys what it looks like when it's open. Okay, so I love this jacket. I think this is a really fun look with some cute little booties. I mean, basically exactly what I'm wearing. Even my earrings, I feel like this is just such a fun and flirty, like boss kind of vibe. This jacket's great because I feel like you could just wear it with jeans and a t-shirt. You put this on, you instantly look pulled together, elevated, all of that. But you can obviously dress it up too, like I have it right now. But I feel like it would also be really good for the workplace. You could just wear a button up and some slacks. You're good to go. This is kind of amazing. I do love it. Okay, jumpsuit, who is she? I kind of love it. It's very soft and comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing pajamas, but it definitely does give a chic vibe. I definitely love a jumpsuit, but it's just hard for me to find one that I like. And this one I don't feel like really gives me a belly toe. So that's kind of amazing. I love the width of the pant too, because it's not like too crazy wide, but it still is wide enough. Obviously I would need to wear like my strapless bra with it, you know, to not have your bra showing in the back. But I love this front of it, how it has like kind of this ruching right here. So I think a cute necklace would be nice, or even some stacked necklace with the hoops, kind of mess it around how you want. Jacket would be nice with it too, like a cardigan maybe. And once I have shoes on, I think it'd be the perfect length because it's just a little bit long, but also I'm barefoot, so that's kind of a good length. Now let me show you guys though if I was to put a belt with it. I really like that. This orange belt I think looks really nice with the navy, but of course whatever you want. This is just a belt that I had close by and that I thought would look nice with this. So I definitely think the belt just gives it a little more interest. It kind of classes it up and elevates, so I think it needed something just because I feel like it was a little bit plain, but that's an easy fix. I always think belts are great to add to honestly so many things. They just really elevate and make everything look that much cuter. So overall this is super comfy. I think it fits pretty freaking good, especially considering it's a jumpsuit. Okay, this sweater I think it fits really nicely. I love that it's lightweight. I think it looks cute with these jeans. These are just jeans that I already own, which you guys will actually see in Friday's video, just heads up. I love this top. I think it fits really nice. It's long enough. It seems to be fitted, but like not too fitted. I love the length of the sleeve. It's literally perfect. I think the shoulders look really nice. I mean, I feel kind of preppy, and that's not something I do a lot. I'm having fun kind of doing other styles and playing around. Always going to be like an edgy girly vibe at heart, but I definitely enjoy a little preppiness as well. I think this would be really cute also tucked into skirts. I have a navy blue skirt that I think would be so cute with this tucked into it. You know, pieces like this are just great. You just look really chic, really sophisticated, so I do love it. Now let's talk about everything. Honestly, this is one of the best boxes I got. I probably would have picked the sweater for myself or the jumpsuit. Really impressed by both of the fits of those items. So that's what's great about Stitch Fix, is it kind of gets you out of your box a little bit, makes you try some things that you might not have, especially navy. I don't have a lot of navy. That's not a color I gravitate towards. So the fact that that jumpsuit was in navy and I liked it so much, I'm super shocked and also happy though. If you want to try this for yourself, you can get your first styling fee waived by using my link in the description box below. So definitely go check it out if you want. You really have nothing to lose, because if it's your first time, that $20 styling fee is waived. So you'll get a box. If you don't like anything, you return it. And if you do, then you just pick what you want and return what you don't. So there's really no risk to at least give it a try for once. And honestly, they really have been good with styling me even from the beginning. You can go back and see other Stitch Fix boxes. I've always been really happy, but this is probably my favorite box just because it had a good variety of colors and styles. And if you saw my last Stitch Fix video, I did keep the vest from that video. I've worn that vest so many times already. It's a great piece. Now let's talk about the prices here. If I keep everything in the box, it'd be $245.25. After the discounts, that's not too bad. That's definitely more like appropriately priced. For example, I love that jacket on me, that red jacket. But I have to say that that jumpsuit is something that's really hard for me to find. And that's basically $60. So even if I just went for the jacket and the jumpsuit, I'm at basically $160. So then I really feel like just another $80 and I get to keep everything, because I really do love this, you know, and I really do love the dress, and the earrings are really cool too. So then I'm just like, oh, I don't know what to do. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think any of these pieces are just the standout piece and I should forget the rest? Or if you think like 2 of them are standout pieces and forget the rest? Or if you think I should get the whole box? This is going to be a tough one, and I really actually would love your guys' opinion. It is Sunday when I'm filming this. You'll see it tomorrow, aka Monday. So I haven't returned anything yet. You guys really will be helping me make this decision. I really do need you guys' help, because I'm confused. I'm confusion on what I should keep, because I'm really loving a lot of it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I appreciate your guys' support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to just be you. Bye, guys. I like to move it, move it, move it. So the last video's movie quote was from The Butterfly Effect, and I saw quite a few of you got it. So rock on for that, because that's one of my favorite movies. For this video's movie quote, Cetus Lapidus. Comment below if you know what movie that quote is from without using Google. Boom, 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 make my heart go zoom, zoom, my supernova girl. L is for the way you look. at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very, extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore and love. Is all that I can give to you.